What is scheduled maintenance, and why is it important to have it done? Every vehicle manufacturer has 2 mileage schedules for having certain things done, like the oil change, tire rotation, changing the air filter, and cabin air filters. Each manufacturer has 2 types of schedules, one for normal driving conditions and the other for severe driving conditions. Normal driving conditions is typically highway miles. Vehicles are designed to be driven at highway speeds for at least 15 minutes. When the vehicle is on the highway, the transmission doesn't need to shift as often. There are a few stops, so you typically use the brakes less. The engine operates in a certain range and doesn't have to fluctuate. The alternators give plenty of time to charge the battery so the vehicle is ready for the next start. Vehicles primarily used on highways can go longer without maintenance. Severe driving conditions is typically city miles, where there are a lot of stoplights and stop-and-go traffic. A lot of stores are close together in the city, so the nearest drive may only be 1 mile. These driving conditions put a lot of stress on cars, and manufacturers recommend maintenance is performed sooner. There may be other maintenance schedules recommended by your local dealerships. The problem with using dealer-recommended maintenance packages is that the dealer does not know how you drive your vehicle. The dealer's maintenance schedule assumes you use your car in the city under severe driving conditions. Most automotive technicians would not be able to tell if your vehicle was primary highway use or city use. Your vehicle only gives off signs that it hasn't been maintained very well. It's best to take care of your scheduled maintenance when it's due. Taking care of problems today will prevent potentially costly breakdowns later. At Alltech Automotive, we can pull up your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule and perform any services that are due. We perform oil changes, tire rotations, we can flush the radiator, check and replace batteries and alternators. If it is recommended time for new spark plugs, we do tune-ups. Give us a call today or visit our website to schedule an appointment. We are located 3 blocks south of 61st and L Streets in Omaha. We are your dealership alternative.